All right, ladies and gentlemen, just make another quick video here to help you guys out with Tinkercad and making the 3D version of your birdhouse digitally. I only have 5 minutes in this video, so I'm going to make it kind of quick. If I don't get through all the parts, I can make another video and you guys can watch that as the second part. To start off with a birdhouse, you should have your net sketch design drawn out. And you should also have your brainstorming page completely filled out as well. Once you have your net sketch out, you're literally going to make those pieces that you did in your net sketch on Tinkercad. So I would recommend starting with your base. So I'm going to pull up my base. Down here in settings, make sure you change it from millimeters to inches, and then click make default, and then click off to the gray. But for mine, I'm going to say mine is going to be, my base is going to be 5 inches by 5 inches, and it's going to be 1/2 inch thick. So there's my base. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my first side. So I'm going to bring out another solid cube, and I'm going to change my thickness down here now to 0.5 inches because I want this to be my width. And this one I'm going to make 6 inches. The reason I'm making it 6 inches is because I need to have a little overhang. So my, oopsies, there we go. So my side pieces can be nailed together. And then my height, I'm going to say my height of my rectangular piece is going to be 4 inches. Whoops. Let's click on here, click on 4. Now, if I zoom out, I'm actually going to be putting a triangular roof on. So I need to have a triangle piece here. So to do that, I'm going to take out my green triangle. I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to put it right there on the corner, but instead of adjusting my size first, I'm going to grab this black cone and I'm going to drag it up so it sits on the top of my my wall right here. And then I made this 6 inches, so I'm also going to make the bottom of my triangle 6 inches, and this is 4 inches tall. And in my design, I'm going to say it is a total of 9 inches. So I'm going to give it, actually, excuse me, a total of 7 inches. I'm going to make this 3 inches tall. And now I have my side piece, but I also need to adjust the thickness from 1 inch to a 1/2 inch. 1 to a 1/2. Okay. Now I have my, I'm going to say this is my back piece. I'm going to select by holding shift. I'm going to select on the red and the green, and then I'm going to click group, and it should all turn to a solid color. And now if we look here, I have my back piece. So now on this spot here, that's where my other side piece is going to go. I think I have enough time in this video to make that happen before it runs out. So, whoops, I'm going to use my, that's not what I want. There we go. So I think this was 5 inches. So I want to make this 5. And this needs to be, whoops, sorry about that. Of course, just because I'm trying to move quickly in the video, it's being difficult. All right, there's my 1/2 inch. I'm going to pull this up to there to 4 inches. And now I have my side piece. I'm going to actually end up moving this down here, and it should be all lined up, which it is. I would copy and paste this piece, use my arrow keys, move it along.